Hey everybody, now it's time to unbox the docking station for the Win 3, GTB Win 3. So let's see what we have here. And do a fast got it here on the box, and we're gonna see what we have inside. I'm very optimistic to have a really good combination here. So let's take it out and see what we have. Now it's not heavy actually, which is a good thing if you carry this thing around. And you're gonna need this for example, charging. When you charge it, you have to have it, like, for example, set on a certain way. I have to do this slowly. Yeah, there we go. Oh, it's this way. Okay, I thought it's gonna go up. Alright, so we are having some issues with opening the box, but we're good now. We're good. Okay, so there you go, guys. Finally, this is the box, and let's see what we have here. Very tight. Okay, so we have the station here. I'm gonna take a look at what this station is all about. Let me take out paperwork first. It looks nice actually. Yep, here you go. So this docking station, guys, has multiple inputs here, as you can see, and we have a USB Type C here. Sorry for the focus. Come on, focus, bro. Yeah. So USB Type C, HDMI, 3 USB 3s, and Ethernet. And all we have to do, there is a knob here, so you have to remove this USB Type C. You lay this right thing over here, and to block the, or to install the station over here, all we have to do is just plug it like this. It's supposed to be easy. I think it's the other way around. No, definitely. Okay, so it looks like this, but it doesn't input. Let me just double check. The big boy over here. Put this thing over here, and through the USB Type C we're gonna have this. Make sure it's actually in line, just like that. Oh, you hear that sound? Okay, good. That means now we are using the docking station, and it doesn't move or anything. It's very sturdy. I like that. So you can just charge it right here. So if you want to charge your station, all you have to do is to plug it from here, and you get yourself a way to charge your station from here. And you have HDMI, 3 USB-C, and Ethernet. So very good ports, and nice stands if you want to watch movies or stuff like that. I mean, that's a nice way to put it like this and watch some stuff. So yeah, that's a great way to end the video. Take care, everybody, and see you another one.